Welcome to our SEO tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the heart of SEO, understanding Google's algorithm updates. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to subscribe. We release videos daily to keep you updated. Google's algorithm updates can seem like a mystery, but they're crucial for your website's SEO success. Let's unravel this mystery together. Firstly, why should you care? Google updates its algorithm to improve user experience. This means your website's ranking can change overnight. So, how do you stay on top? It's all about understanding the why behind each update. Google's major updates like Panda, Penguin, and BERT focus on quality content, link building practices, and understanding user intent. To adapt, ensure your website has quality content, natural link building strategies, and is mobile friendly. Monitor your SEO performance metrics closely. A sudden change could indicate an algorithm update impact. Stay informed. Join SEO forums and follow industry experts to get insights on the latest updates. Remember, SEO is a journey. Adapt and evolve with the updates. If you got value from this video, please give us a like. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't miss out on mastering the digital world. Subscribe now and turn on notifications. Stay ahead in the SEO game with our daily updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.